Hello people, a very good morning. Welcome you all back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet and today we are in Uttarakhand. This is Munsyari and we are headed to Nainital today for 260 kilometers which and should take us about 8 hours on the bike. It's going to be a whole lot of twisties, a bit of off-roading and beautiful Himalayan mountain scenes. Stay tuned people as we ride on the 9th day towards back to the plains, and we are heading to Lucknow in the next couple of days back to Bangalore. Stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. My entire series of Uttarkand as I ride on my KTM raiding the Himalayas with the tribe boys. It's a beautiful journey here in the mountains. Well, my two-line advice for today would be love everybody, don't hate anybody, keep smiling, share your love, spread your love and spread your smile. Life is short people, make it worthwhile and spread the love and happiness. Cheers! Well, one of the most beautiful states in India, Uttarakhand, is a must visit state. So many beautiful places, so many beautiful spots, so much to see. Do visit Uttarakhand sometime in your life. Well, if you do like what you're seeing, you like my content, do give me a thumbs up. It will always encourage us content creators. Thank you very much. So as we rode from Munsyari towards Nainital, we got a whole lot of waterfalls, beautiful twisties, and a view to kill. It was one mesmerizing and amazing ride we had. We did take a lot of breaks and we got separated. All the riders were riding in different groups and we were a big group, so we couldn't stay together. After a whole day of riding across the mountains in Uttarkand, we managed to reach our destination Nainital by late evening. Sun was almost setting, and some of us reached early, some of us reached much later in the evening. Well, it was already dark. I was one of the first to reach the property here at Nainital, the Swiss Valley Cottage, as the sun was setting and got a beautiful view of mountains. Check out the drone view as we settle down for the night. Oh, what a day! We had absolute blast riding through the mountains. It was truly a memorable ride. As all the riders arrived late evening, we settled for the night, and that's it from this log of ours. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Also, the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. See you on the next one. More episodes of the Uttarkand series coming up. Goodbye, sayonara, adios, bye bye.